Welcome to Dropbox File Sharing.
Discover how to easily share files and folders using Dropbox. Whether you're sending documents to a coworker or sharing photos with friends, Dropbox makes it simple and secure. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process, perfect for beginners eager to master the basics of file sharing. Let's get started on your journey to efficient collaboration.
Signing in and uploading files.
Begin by logging into your Dropbox account at Dropbox.com. To share a file, first upload it by clicking the Upload button and selecting your file or folder. Once uploaded, your files are safely stored in the cloud and ready for sharing. Dropbox supports documents, images, videos, and many other file types for maximum flexibility.
Sharing individual files.
To share a file, hover over it and click the Share button. You can enter the email address of the person you want to share with, or generate a link to copy and send yourself. Adjust permissions as needed. Choose whether recipients can view, comment, or edit the file, ensuring you have full control over who accesses your content.
Sharing folders with teams or groups.
Sharing an entire folder allows for easy collaboration on multiple files. Click on the folder, select Share, and invite others by email or link. Set permissions to decide if others can edit or only view the contents. Collaborators added this way will see updates in real time, making teamwork seamless and effective.
Managing shared links and security.
Stay in control by managing your shared links. You can restrict access at any time, set expiration dates for links, add passwords, or revoke access entirely. Dropbox notifies you of major file activity, and all sharing is encrypted for security. Review your sharing settings regularly to keep your files safe and shared only with the right people.
Recap and next steps.
You've learned how to upload files, share them securely, manage permissions, and maintain control with Dropbox. Master these basics to enhance your productivity and collaboration. Explore more Dropbox features, like file requests and integration with other apps to make file sharing even more powerful. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!